Okay, what up guys, I'm back and it's 1 o'clock on Tuesday and it's after the storm. We'll go see if we got any damage, but it was a bust in Middletown, Delaware. There was like no storm at all, but let's go see what damage we had now. Let's go. Nothing at all. Huh? Oh yeah, see that? Other than that, nothing. I'm gonna go look full. No, every shutter, all the shutters, yeah, we're good. The shed light's broken, turn off now. Other than that, nothing. See, the light don't turn off. So yeah, that worked out well. Ah! It's all good. What? Okay. It's still broken! Somebody is. Mad hard floatage. Full floated everywhere. Look at all that. Get stuff from the store to fix the light and everything and fix the pool and stuff. So there it is. There's the damage. Hurricane Sandy was horrible. It didn't even do anything. And yeah.